everybody! I just wanted to show you my thoughts on my new selfie ring light I recently got from China for about $5. It's called Selfie Ring Light XJ-19. It's a small paper box and there are some pictures, the CE sign for Europe, and some technical data, but I'll show you later. Okay, I recently did a review on a ring light from a market here in Germany, from Action. It was the Grundig ring light, which was quite poor. It was bad made. I had several ones which didn't work right out of the box, and one is broken and it only has cold LED light. This one has cold and warm LEDs, which was important to me. So let's have a look inside. What's inside the box? So some plastic holder. There's the USB cable. It's got a USB cable because there is a built-in battery which you have to charge via this micro USB cable. It's quite tiny, 15 centimeters, maybe just for charging, not for data, but you can use any USB cable, micro USB. So we put that there, and there's the small manual, Chinese, English. Oh, it's quite well written, it's good English. There are some specs, size 90mm diameter, material ABS, adapter, micro USB 5V 1 amp, 20 white LED and 20 yellow LED, capacity, I think of the battery, 200 milliampere hours. And as I stated before, the color temperature is 3500 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Okay, let's try it out. So, yeah, it's well made. The finish on this side is some white matte plastic. And this is obviously the light side. There is a small button, the micro USB slot, and this seems to be a tiny LED, but I think it comes only on if you are charging. Let's try a charge. Plug in my charger. Yes, and there it's red LED, and I think it turns to green if fully charged. Okay. Don't want to charge now. This is the opening to clamp it. It's quite wide, 15mm I think. You can push it a bit more. Okay, and then let's turn it on. One push on the button. Okay. Now this is the mixed mode. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but now there are all LEDs on, the yellow ones and the white ones. And then you push a second time and there is the cold light mode, which is very harsh white. And there is a third push, and it's the warm white mode. Just the 20 warm LEDs. And if you push again, it turns off. So, let's have a look. Mixed mode. Cold light. Warm light. Off. But that's not all. There is an additional feature which I find quite clever. You can dim this ring light. If you push down the button and keep it pushed, long press, then you will be able to lighten up the LEDs, or if you push a second time and hold it, then you can darken the LEDs, you can dim them. Let's try it out. So mixed mode. Now I long press the button. Okay, you can see it gets much brighter, and now I long press again and you can dim it down. So again, cold mode, long press. Yeah, there's a bit more. Oh, this is very strong. And then long press again. And you can dim it down. Yeah. Then we go to warm mode. And now I long press the button. Yeah, turn it up. See how it gets brighter. And then I do a second long press and I can make it darker again. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all of the functions of this little gem. I find it quite useful, and it's much better than the simple one I tested lately. A recommendation, really. Get you one of this.